This Greater Waco Realty property video is presented by Tracy Bentley. Here it is. This well-maintained custom-built home is the one you've been waiting for. Wonderful location, floor plan, great condition with a desired open concept kitchen and living area with hardwood floors. Breakfast nook and bar. Double ovens and separate dining. Living area has built-ins, non-wood burning fireplace, and natural light from backyard. Quaint and nice backyard with a covered patio and beautiful line of trees for privacy. The best of all are the amenities offered with HOA that include community pool, tennis courts, workout facility, walking track, pond, and playground. Fees will also give you outside water and mowing. Come see this lovely home in the very desired neighborhood. For more information,